What's up, guys? How's it going? Alright, that's good to hear. Welcome to your 188th Android tutorial for the new Boston, where we're going to hopefully finish up this text-to-voice activity. What we're going to do within our initialization of our text-to-speech instance here, we're going to set the language that we want it to speak in, and right here, this should be status. Just for reference, it's passing in a status, and that status refers to either being successful or it not working. So what we're going to do is going to say if status is not equal to text to speech dot error, then we're going to set up the language that we want it to speak in. So what we're going to do is just say text to speech dot set language, and we're going to set this to locale dot US, or whatever language. There we go. So pretty simple. You guys could probably see those other choices we have, like China and all that other good stuff. So and there we go. We basically set up our language that we want our text to speech to speak in, and that's good. So now all we have to do is set up our onClick method. Again, our button, when it clicks, we want to read one of these choices up here. We have 3 choices. So what we want this to do is pick a random string out of our array up there called text. So what we're going to do is we're going to say random, r is equal to new random. Pretty familiar. And then what we're going to do, add our imports, and then we're just going to say string. We're going to call this random. Set this equal to our text array up there. So we're going to say text, and then basically which position. So we have position 0, 1, and 2. But we obviously just want a random position. So we're just going to say r dot next int, and we're going to pass in 3 because we have 3 options. Whoa. So there we go. Or we could again just say our text array dot length that we kind of got familiar with in OpenGL. So there, that's kind of the choices that you can use to get a or that's just one option you can use to get a random text or a random string. And then all we're going to do is we're going to say, hey, text to speech, how about you talk? So we're going to say speak, and it takes 3 parameters, the text, so we're going to refer to our random text that we just set up, the Q mode. And what we're going to do here is we're going to say if anything else is talking at the moment, we want it to shut up for the most part. And so it can hear this new speech that it's going to give, and it's going to be a great speech. So we're just going to say text to speech dot Q. Whoops. Oh man, way too tired here. Q flush, and that's just again going to stop whatever's been talking. It's going to start a new speech, and for a third parameter, we're just going to set equal to null. And there we go. We pretty much are done. Let's just check this out, see if it works. And again, hopefully it works on the emulator. So let's go down here to our text voice.
What's up, gangsters?
What? That didn't sound like what's up, gangsters.
You smell.
You smell.
What's up, gangsters? You smell. I have a crush on Travis.
That's legit. Alright, well, you guys get the concepts. And I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you later.